If you're experiencing high ping while playing Elden Ring, it can significantly affect your gaming experience. Here is a step-by-step guide to help you reduce your ping and improve your connection. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. Use a wired connection instead of Wi-Fi if possible, as it generally provides a more reliable and faster connection. Run a speed test to check your current upload and download speeds. Step 2. Close background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may be using your bandwidth. This includes downloads, streaming services, and other online applications that could be consuming your internet resources. Step 3. Change server region. In Elden Ring, check if you can change the server region in the game settings. Connecting to a server that is geographically closer to you can help reduce ping and improve your overall gaming experience. Step 4. Optimize router settings. Access your router settings and consider enabling quality of service QoS to prioritize gaming traffic. Additionally, ensure that your router's firmware is up to date for optimal performance. Step 5. Use a VPN. If you are still experiencing high ping, consider using a VPN service that offers servers optimized for gaming. Choose a server that is closer to the game server you are trying to connect to, which may help reduce latency. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your ping while playing Elden Ring. Enjoy your gaming experience.